All right, I wanted to make a video about how to get onto IXL and how to find the specific skills that I am asking you to do. So first of all, you are going to go to the website ixl.com. As you can see in the toolbar, I also have the link on Google Classroom. And this might pop up when you get to the website for the very first time. And you can say sign up now if you would like, or you can exit out and just go up here to the top. Now you can see I have some information in, username and a password already. I am not going to use that. So you'll be starting with a blank slate here. And I am actually going to use Miss Shaw's information to get in. So you'll have your username that you'll type there, and then you should have your password. And the username and password were emailed to you by IXL. So check your email for your username and password. And if you can't find it, please email me and I will email you back with your username and password. So go ahead and actually I would hit remember, select remember, and then sign in. You may want to save your password. I am not saving it since this is not really my account. All right, so you're going to get to this page. Next thing that we want to do here is going to say some things they recommend. We are going to click on math. Okay, so once again, from this page, click on math. Notice that we're underneath learning. Now that's what it took me to, but if by chance you get into something else, make sure you're under learning and math. All right, so what they have is they have listed all of the grade levels that are covered. You can see this goes all the way up to calculus. So for those of you that may be like, hey, I'm kind of interested in learning some of the things or seeing some of the things I might do in high school, there are all kinds of things that you can look into. But for today, when we're reviewing for the DMR quiz, I'm going to start on 7th grade. So click on 7th grade. And once at this page, you can see it has all of these skills. So the main skill has a letter like A, number theory, B, integers, C, operations with integers. All right, so again, the letters are the main skill, and underneath each letter, it will have some specific skills. So we're going to go to 7H. So we'll scroll down here to find H. There it is, rational numbers. 7H4, which is identifying rational numbers. Now, this is going to help me review for the DMR quiz. So when I click on that, first of all, I can see that it says up in the bar, 7th grade, H4, identify rational numbers. So you always want to double check that you're on the correct skill. And then it asks me the question, is 0 a rational number? And I choose yes or no. Now, let's say I am not sure. I could click on this learn with an example, and they could go through some things that are rational numbers and aren't rational numbers. So you could look at that. I'm going to go back and I'm going to say, yes, it is rational. And it tells me super. So you can see over here in my SMART score that I got 10 points for that. You can also see the time so far that I have spent on this and the questions answered. So sometimes teachers would just say, hey, spend X amount of time on it, but you'd only answer like 3 questions. So as a teacher, I do look at all of these things, your score, how many questions you answered, and the time. This next one is 2/9 a rational number. Now, it is a fraction with a whole number, denominator and numerator. So I'm going to say yes. Is 2 a rational number? Yes, it is. But I'm going to answer incorrectly here. I'm going to say no, just so you can see what it says. So one thing is my SMART score went down. Okay, so it takes away points when you get things wrong. But very important is it says I'm incorrect, but then it gives an explanation as to why I am incorrect. 2 can be written as 2/1, which is a fraction. So 2 is a rational number. So, okay, got it. Is 1/4 a rational number? Yes. So then you can just keep going, all right? If you want to get back out of this and go back to 7th grade, here are all your 7th grade skills again, and you can easily jump to 6th grade or any other grade level you need by over here on the tab. All right, that is all the time I have for this Screencastify video, so hopefully it did help you with these directions.